Year 2. Let's get ready for maths. Let's warm our brains up. For our mental maths starter this morning, Year 2, we're going to practice counting in fives. We will practice starting from different numbers. Pause the video while you fill in the missing numbers. Then we will go through it together. Okay, let's check. Let's take a look at this first one. 5, 10, 15. What comes here? Did you guess? Yes, you're right. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Let's have a look at this one now. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Well done if you've got that one right. Okay, let's move on to this one now. Have you noticed what's happening in this one? 85, 80, 75. Yes, the numbers are moving backwards. Wonder what will come here? Have a little think. Did you guess? Yes, that's right. 70. Then 65, 60, 55, 50, 45. Well done if you got that right. Okay, let's look at this one at the bottom now. We're starting with 100, 95, 90. What comes next? Yes, you're right. 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60. Well done, Year 2, for having a go at counting forwards and backwards in fives. Okay, we're going to be moving on to the main part of our maths lesson today, and our learning objective for this morning in maths is to make tally charts. Teddy is drawing a tally chart while his mum unpacks the shopping. How many bananas, Mum? 5 altogether, Teddy dear. Teddy draws one tally for each banana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. His mum then unpacks some grapes from the shopping bag. He asks his mum how many grapes there are. His mum tells him that there are 13 grapes. So Teddy draws one tally for each grape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's a slightly different way we can do this, which makes it easier for us to count afterwards. We can draw 4 tallies like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 5th one, we strike through the first 4 like that to show we have 5 altogether. Then we can draw another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see that we have 5 and 5, which makes 10. And we have 3 left over. 1, 2, 3. So you can see that we have 5 and 5 and 3, which makes 13 all together. Let's look again at Teddy's bananas. We know that there are 5 bananas. So we can draw tallies to show this. We can draw 4 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then strike through to show 5. And we recognise this as 5. Okay, it's your turn now, Year 2. See if you can draw a tally for these amounts of fruit. Pause the video while you have a go. Okay, let's check. you can see that we have 5 pairs altogether. So let's see if we can make the tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Underneath, you can see we have 2 strawberries. So let's see if we can do the tally for that one. 1, 2. Okay. That looks a little bit like number 11, but we know that each line is a tally. So we can just see 1 tally and a second tally. So we have 2 tallies altogether for the strawberries. And the bottom one, you can see that we have 5 here and 5 here. Okay, so we need to draw the tally for that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5, which make 10 altogether. Okay, Year 2, we're going to create a tally chart for the number of cars and bikes that go past Amir's window. Amir notices that there are 7 cars and 3 bikes that go past his window. Pause the video and see if you can write the tally for this. Okay, let's check. We know that there are 7 cars, so we need to draw our tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we know that there are 3 bikes, so we can draw the tallies for that too. 1, 2, 3. So this is what your completed tally chart should look like, Year 2. Well done for having a go. Okay, Year 2. This tally chart shows the number of children that take part in different sports. Pause the video while you fill in the tallies for the different sports that you can see. Okay, let's check. You can see that there are 6 children that like running, so let's fill in the tally for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can see that there are 3 children that like football. So let's complete the tally for that. 1, 2, 3. And for tennis, there are 11 children. So let's complete the tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that we've got 5 and 5 to make 10, and then 1 more to make 11. Well done for having a go at that, Year 2. Okay, it's time to choose an activity. Try and complete 1 or more of these tasks on your own. If you want more practice, you need to complete the farm animal tally chart, which is attached to the Google Classroom post. If you prefer to do the core task, you need to complete the tally chart and tell me the story. If you're feeling more confident, then you can complete task 3, where you have to make a tally chart of your own about one of these topics: favourite fruit, favourite sport, or a choice of your own. If you completed all of the tally activities and you'd like to do a little bit extra maths, then there's an optional maths challenge, and you can click on the My Maths attachment to find out and explore further ways of presenting information. Plenary time. Have a look at this problem. Dexter makes a tally chart of the animals he saw at the zoo. Tick 1 box below that shows all of the animals Dexter saw and explain why the others are incorrect. Have a little go and send me your answers if you work it out. Have fun!